Hey there, this is Tia, and in this video we are going to unbox Mivi Rock and Roll E5 earphone. So here's the box overview. Front side is very clean, just product name and image. On back side they have mentioned some specifications, that is HD stereo sound, super solid bass and ergonomic design. Yeah, this earphone comes with 1-year warranty. On left side, designed and engineered in India, and on right side the tagline, that is push the limit. Now time to open the box. First we get warranty card and you can avail warranty through WhatsApp. And there is nothing inside the box anymore. This packaging reminds me of Realme Buds 2 packaging, it's kinda same. So we get some extra ear tips. Now let's take this out. It was tough. So this is how the earphone looks, the ergonomic design and the Mivi branding. Yeah, it feels premium, but it is very lightweight. And this is the controller with Mivi branding, and it comes with mic and a multifunction button. It has braided cable after the controller part. And a L-shaped 3.5mm jack. It's not gold plated. So earphone is connected. Now let me show you some features. You can play and pause with multifunction button. To activate Google Assistant, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. What's the time? Yeah, it's 1:47 in night. You can go to next track by double pressing the multifunction button, and I think you can't go to previous track. Now let's talk about audio quality. Starting with bass, it's good as written on the box, and you should know that in the price range of 500. You can get this earphone for 399 rupees, I guess. For latest price, check Amazon link in description. Back to audio quality, vocals are clear, but because of high bass, instruments are disturbing. But you can surely consider this earphone. You won't notice that much difference. In just 400 rupees, it's one of the best earphone you can get. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.